Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How Dola helps you take the perfect photo. So here I'll be teaching you how Dola helps you take a perfect photo. So there's two ways of doing this. First way is using Dola itself. Just send her a photo of what you want. What you want. Then Dola will check if it's good or not good. Yeah, something like that. If you taken the photo good or not, just ask Dola itself. Or you can use the other AI features here at Dola. So the other AI features here at Dola, we're just gonna go back and we're just gonna click on bots right here. After pressing on bots right there, here there's a lot of bots. All we need to do is click on this bot right, this section right here, image recognition right there. So in the image recognition right here, all we need to do is um, click on the image recognition right there. So after pressing
As a photography critic,
oopsie,
I aim to...
there, sorry for guys, there you go. There you go. Here, this AI bot right here, the photography critic, will help us take a good picture and will help us have the good picture. So let's just say we want to make a picture before we post it, we can send it right here, or we can use the photo picture right here before doing it. So here I'll be taking a picture of something here in front of me. So we're just gonna open our camera, and there you go. As you can see, we're gonna take a picture of this alcohol right here. And 3 2 1, smile. And there you go, guys, we have taken the photo of it. Then we just need to give it to the photograph critic right here. So now he's gonna check on the photo right there. It's the photo still loading, so it's gonna check on it. And there you go. As you can see right now, the AI already check on it. As you can see, title, photo title, green cross, strawberry, alcohol. Composition, the composition is very straightforward, focusing directly into the product. It's simple center shade. Lighting, the lighting is a bit flat, which causes the image to lack depth. The shadow are minimal, making the bottle appear somehow two-dimensional. And subject matter, the subject is clear. A bottle, again, the code for product photography or just a snapshot. Overall, the photo is clear and informative but lacks visual interest. It serves its purpose of showing the product but doesn't engage the viewer much beyond that. So here are a few suggestions to improve. Lighting, try using more dynamic lighting. A single light source from the side could create a shadow and highlight that add depth and shape to the bottle. As you can see right now, I've learned that you can, once you add, when you do that, to the one side of it, you can add like a shadow and you can add depth to it. My understanding. And background, the background is a bit distracting. A cleaner, less buzzy background would help you product stand out more. So we need a cleaner and good background for it. And here, angle, experiment with different angles. Shooting from slightly above or below could give more interesting perspective. And here, focus, ensure the label is sharp and clear. The text is crucial for conveying information about the product. So there, as you can see right now, photographic critic help us improve our picture right there. So all we need to do is, when you're gonna take a picture of this, for example right here, on my experience, I just need to have a cleaner background, good lighting, and a good angle for the picture. And there you go. So yeah, there you go. That's how Dola helps you with your picture. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section below. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.